Okay, so currently studying yung unit, and I personally wanna sell Alice here in Lancaster kasi sobrang I can see myself living here. Bukod sa budget-friendly type niya, it's actually the unit that I can personally clean myself. Diba? Kasi as single professionals or mga career focus na tulad ko, natin, sa edad natin na to, 26, you know, kasi lagi tayong on the go eh. I mean, tingnan nyo yung unit, no? I myself can personally clean this. Mahilig din akong mag ganon-ganon sa bahay, kahit yung sa bahay namin doon sa Bacoor nila mama. I can say that I'm gonna live here. I can live here and I can clean it. You know, on the go people like me. As in, sobrang ganda niya talaga. And yung sa sala, this is the modified unit ng Alice. Okay, tapos ito yung una niyang bedroom. Sofa bed ata ito eh. Ayan. This is the dining area. Pwede pa yung mapalitan. Tapos ito yung service area. I myself, mas gusto ko itong sa kitchen is malipat. So, para this will be the dining area. So, pagkapasok ng bisita, diba? Mas, ano siya, mas maganda or mas maganda tambayan. Tapos naman dito, ayan, ito is a modified unit eh. Ito yung sa dining area nila. Super good, no, for single people. Tapos, starting families also. Sobrang ganda. Tapos itong part na to, actually pwede yung ano eh, ipalipat din or mapabaklas, patanggal. Tapos this will be a really spacious living area. And another ideas upstairs sa sa Alice. Yun. Yung paayos, pa-construct nitong sa unit na to, pwede siyang ipaalam sa management. Wala namang problema doon. Meron nga din ibang homeowners na they personally put parang balcony sa taas. As in, mas lumawak yung area nitong Alice. Ayun, so I really can see myself cleaning this house every day. And having it designed my own. Wow, Nax. Okay. Ito yung sa CR ng modified unit. Tapos ito, alam mo yung pag nakita mo tong room, it's, alam mo yun, as a professional or career, makakalculate mo na kagad kung magkano yung sa furnitures eh, di ba? So this one is around, let's say, alam mo yun, like 15 to 20 or lower than that, di ko sure. Tapos yung bed also around ito yung bed na to. Ito yung frame siya na naka-attach. And the mirror makes the room a lot bigger. Ito yung master's eh. Tapos itong area na to, ito yung pinapa-extend or ginagawang balcony ng ibang homeowner. So, pwede natin yun ipapaalam sa management. Okay? And this is the parang itong modified unit. Ito yung parang sa kids naman. So, di ba? It's so minimalist, but it's so elegant. Tignan. Ayan. There's inverter or split type. Then the window. Yung iba dito, ang ginagawa nga nila is whole, the two rooms mas ano sila, bagka etong dalawang room na to ginawang isa. So it's a lot bigger area here. 'Di ba? A lot bigger area upstairs. So sa akin naman, ang gusto ko lang is yung malilinisan ko siya ng mag-isa with an ease. Ngayon. So, I personally love Alice. 'Di ba? Ayun. So, to reserve lang naman this unit, it's easy. Just 2 valid IDs and 10,000 reservation fee. Show you what.